Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to transform your old Samsung into a baby monitor. So this is my old Samsung that I will transform into a baby monitor, and here is my actual phone. So first, on both of them, download the Bibino baby monitor app. I just can't open Play Store right here, so I'll clear everything, and maybe now? Okay. So search Bibino and install. Now just wait for both of the apps to install. Okay, so I finally have them. So open or on both of the phones the app. Now get started. Continue. Let's pair second device. I have the device ready. So device ready to pair. This is my Galaxy Samsung, so click pair. Pair. It is synchronizing data. Okay, continue. So use this device as baby station. Enable everything. Okay. And now what is your baby's name? HardReset. Next. Boy. We can here customize our baby. What do you need help with? Check on baby, travel with kids, help baby fall asleep. You can select whatever you want. I'll just select check on baby. It's customizing right now. And it is done. Okay. Can't adjust brightness. I don't know why. Something happened. So I'll just restart the app. Okay. Continue. Here you can buy the premium, but I won't. Use this as parent station. I don't want notifications. Connect. Okay. So here we can disconnect. Connect again. I'll just disable the voice so it won't disturb you. And now here we can check the camera. As you can see, it is working, just needed to connect with a little latency, but it's working. Here we can say something to our baby. And when we have the camera, we can shine a flashlight. Here we can see the battery percentages of our phone. And that's pretty much it. To disconnect, just click here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.